Hi, I'm here to tell you about EmmaBlackeryShop.com. Oh, stop doing that! Here at EmmaBlackeryShop.com, not only do we have great posters and dope t-shirts, but we also have physical music. Who remembers that? We have CDs, vinyl, and cassette tapes. Somewhere. Please buy a cassette tape. They take up so much space. And this week only, use discount code and get 37.5% off your order today. Why half? Please enjoy this exclusive sneak peek at Emma's brand new single, Nepo Baby, before the release day on June 6th, depending when this video goes out. Carl, roll VT. Carl, you're so fired. Get out. Why did I resurrect him?
Bro, what the fuck? I just got here. Is this why you hired me?